So let's move on to the properties. The properties, right? The properties of integration, that is antiderivative. The properties of integration. So the first property that we want to look at is that a constant factor can be moved to the front of an indefinite integral. So if you have an indefinite integral like this, and basically we have a constant k, this is your constant k, and this is your function f of x, right, or dx. The answer or the result is k comes out integral of f of x dx. For example, if you have 3x squared, find the integral of 3x squared. Is the same as, or you can move the 3 out because here it's a multiplication which is attaching to the variable. So you can move the 3 out and do 3 integral of x squared. And when you are done, you multiply the 3 by 8. So when you are done, you are going to get what? 3 multiplied by the integral of x squared is what? X power 3 over what? 3, right? Then you multiply the 3 by 8, you are going to get what? X power 3. That's it. So this is what the first property means. This is what the first one. That means if you have a constant attached to a variable or the function, you can move the function in front and then integrate whatever the variable is. When you are done, you just multiply by it. So we will solve example about it. Let's move on to the second property. The second property says that when you have a function of which you have plus or minus or anything inside it, what you can do here is that you can just integrate them individually. And when you are done, you place in whatever sign was there over there. So assuming that you have a function f of x, and then you have maybe minus maybe g of x, find the integration of this. What you need to do is that you need to do the integral of f of what? X minus the integral of what? G of what? X. If it's also a plus, what you can do is that you do integral of f of x plus integral of what? G of x. So this is what the second property also means. So this plus or minus here is that it can either be plus or minus depending on it. So for example, when you have maybe 4x power 3 minus 2x power 2 plus 3x plus 1. What you need to do is that this find the integral of this. What you need to do is that you can separate them or the sum or difference, find the antiderivative of each term. So you can do integral of 4x power 3 minus integral of 2x power 2 plus integral of 3x plus integral of 1. But remember that the first property also tells us that we can also bring the constants in front and do the integration after that we multiply by it. So what we can do is that we can also bring the constant in front. So we can get 4 into brackets integral of x power 3 minus 2 into bracket integral of x power 2 plus 3 integral of x plus integral of 1, of which we are going to get 4x power 4 over 4 minus 2x power 3 over 3, right, plus 3x power 2 over 2 plus what? X. And then don't forget you are plus c. So here we're going to get x power 4 minus 2 over 3 x power 3, right, plus 3 over 2 x power 2 plus x plus c, right? So this is one thing that you also can keep in mind. This is not difficult. Yes, take your time and analyze them, solve more examples, and you are good to go. So in my next video, or I would like us to solve one or more example, so that in my next video we can move to the initial integration with the initial condition, which is definite integral, and then from there we can proceed in other integration techniques. So in solving more examples, let's take this. A equal to integral of 3x power 5 plus 7x squared plus 8 all dx. Then my next question is 4 plus 3x plus 2x power 4 all over x dx. So in solving this one, what you need to do is that it applies the same thing that we have learned not long ago. For this one, just do them individually. You bring this one outside, so it's the integral of x power 5 plus 7 integral of x power 2 plus integral of 8, of which we are going to get what? 3 over 6 x power 6 plus 7x power 3 over 3 plus 8x plus c. Don't forget. So here we are going to get 1 over 2 x power 6 plus 7 over 3 x power 3 plus 8x plus c. So this is our final answer for this. So moving on to the second example, this is what we have. We have the example 4 plus 3x plus 2x power 4 over x. So what you need to do is that don't complicate yourself, just simplify it. We know that this one can also be written as 4 over x plus 3x over x plus 2x power 4 over x or dx. So this is how you can do it. So in all, you can have 4 over x, but 4 over x plus this one will cancel this 3 plus, and then this x will cancel one of this x, we get 2x power 3. So now this is what's the result that we have, and then you find the integration. And remember that here is 4 multiplied by 1 over x, right? 4 multiplied by 1 over x plus 3. So integral of this plus integral of 2x power 3 all dx. So with this, you know that integral of 1 over x is ln x. Therefore, the result will be 4 ln x plus integral of a constant is what? 3 with x attached to it. And then plus integral of 2x power 3 is going to give us what? 2x power 4 over 4. And don't forget your c, of which the final answer is going to be 4 ln x plus 3x plus 1 over 2x power 4 plus c. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.